In this video I will show you how to earn up to $85 per hour PayPal money by simply watching videos worldwide. You only watch videos, movies or your favorite TV series to make this money. You can access this website from any part of the world and it's completely free. So how do we earn that money by simply watching videos? You're about to find out. The first step is to watch the video. The second step is to watch it for at least 60 seconds. The third step is to cash out your earnings. It's that simple. Let me show you in detail how you will do that. If you have any questions about this video, make sure to ask them below in the YouTube comment section. Also, tell us where you're from, just comment it below, so that in the future I can make sure that every single video I realize is meant for you. Stick to the end of this video, as I will also show you bonus tips on how you can double, triple or even quadruple that money you will earn. Also below this video I have a huge surprise for you. I created a training where I show you exactly how you can copy paste my exact system that makes me up to $2,265 per day. The best thing is that I will give it to you without charging you anything. Find the free access right below this video. Let's now get into this fantastic money-making method. First, go to zoombox.com. This website is completely free, secure and legit. As you can see, you can earn money by simply filling out surveys, watching videos and TV shows and doing offers. For the purposes of this video, however, we will be focusing on videos. It's something that most people do every day and pays the highest amount of money for the least amount of effort. So click on the Watch TV button. Let me explain how this works. Step 1. Create a free account on this page. Step 2. Choose a channel you're interested in. After that, you can start to watch TV shows and videos. Switching between channels can help you to increase your earnings. Points will be added to your account after you watch these videos. Finally, you can exchange your points to cash or gift certificates. It's that simple. So the first step in creating a free account is to register on this website. Go to the homepage, enter your email address, create a password and just click sign up now. You can also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up. Once you log into your Zoombox account, you can see how much money can be made. It is easy to see that people have made anywhere from $100 to $400. You could be the next. All of these individuals are making money with Zoombox, watching videos and completing surveys or doing offers. The best thing about the site is the large amount of videos. Videos are reset each day. This means there are endless opportunities to make money. You can make money by simply watching videos. Click watch on the left menu to get started. Afterwards, these boxes will have the words Laudably and Hideout TV. If you hover your cursor above them, you will see their offers details. Next, click the Start button to select Laudably. The page will then take you to the category selection page. You can choose from one of the following categories: do-it-yourself, food or random videos. You can see the points that you can earn in each category on the right hand side. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. To proceed, you will need to create a free account. Enter your email address and create a password to sign up. Once you create a Laudably account, you will be taken to this page. Here you can watch all videos within the food category. This site allows you to view as many videos as you like. If I click this link, for example, it will take me to another page. To earn money, you must watch the video at least 60 seconds. Before we continue with the bonus tip to double or even triple your income, one quick thing. If you find this video valuable, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so whenever I come up with a new strategy to make more money, you will get notified. Let's continue. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different browser tabs at the same time. This will allow you to watch many videos and do other things. This will allow you to make the most money with the least effort and time. time. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right side. A bonus tip is to reduce the quality of the video by clicking on the video settings. As a result, you will be able to watch as many 60 seconds videos as possible while earning as much possible money as well. These bonus tips are very effective and you can immediately use them to double or triple your earnings. You now know how to make money with Zoombucks just by watching videos. I would like to share my knowledge on another way to make money on Zoombucks. You can also make money by taking part in surveys. You will see surveys on the left-hand corner of your Zoombucks dashboard. Click them. You will then be presented with a list of companies offering simple surveys to complete. You will be paid 85 cents, 60 cents, or sometimes even $10 for each survey. Click on the company offering the highest amount of money. Follow the same steps as before to create a free account. You can choose the survey you want and take as many surveys as possible. Make sure to post your questions below this video and leave a like. If we get 1,000 likes for this video, I will release another super powerful method for you to make even more money from home. If you want more amazing money making methods, make sure to find my list where I will show you all this. You will find my list of tutorials at the top right corner below or in a few seconds at the end of this video. That's everything I have to say. Goodbye.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.